Hi, this is a quick sound demo of the 6th mod of the Typhoon running super parasite firmware. This is a dual voice resonator, and many of the parameters have changed, so let's explain them first. Position is now timbre duration, so it will change the duration of the noise burst going to the resonator. So fully counterclockwise, you will have no sound. Right after, density is now GK, so it goes to practically 0 to auto-oscillating, so you will use this oscillator if you want as regular one. Right after you have chords, so for now it's fully counterclockwise, it have no chord, but during the course of the faders you will find many chords like unison, fat, super fat, fat, power, fat octave, etc, etc. Check the manual if you are interested in all the detail about that. Right after you have texture is not damping. If you go counterclockwise, you will have a low pass filter in the feedback path, and if you go up on clockwise, you will have a resonant band pass filter in the feedback path for more high sound. Here, wet is now distortion. Counterclockwise and fully clockwise, it will have no effect, but all the value between them, you will have different flavors of the distortion. Stereo, in the center, it's all the voice are panel mono. If you go counterclockwise, each of the voice are paneled left or right, and if you go clockwise, it will alternate between them. Feedback is no harmonics. It have a drastic change of the sound. It will select which harmonic of the resonator are more important than other. And the last one is scatter. It will make a burst of noise at the start for resonate the resonator, slightly like a clap. You will see that in a second. So first, let's hear how it can sound, how all the parameters interact between them. So we can use the trick button for trick the resonator. Let's put slightly some decay. Now let's see the timbre duration. As I say here, you have no sound. Alright, so this is chord. Check the manual for all the chords you have during the fader course. And here you have the damping. So counterclockwise, it's low pass. And clockwise or up for the fader, it will be a resonant band pass. Alright, so here is a distortion. Here you have the voice allocation to the stereo field. Here are the harmonics, major harmonics in the resonator. It can damp the sound of the resonator highly, so here. And last is a scatter, so it will create burst of noise. Alright, so let's now trick Typhoon and mess up with parameter for showing you how it can sound. Let's put a quick sequence to the volt per octave input for having some variation around that. So we can use something like that for clocking. A small sequencer here. And now take the pitch information here. Alright, I hope it will help you to understand how this thick mode on Typhoon can sound. Of course, you have many CVs, so you can create some really interesting texture on the sound. See you for the next one. Bye bye.